Hey you beautiful people, welcome back to a new video on our channel Read Travel Become. A lot of you guys, especially content creators, have been asking me about the equipment that I use, the lighting system, the setup that I have. They have been asking me about these things and I thought let's just make a YouTube setup tour where I discuss the equipments that I use for my content creation, and it would also serve as a reference point for the future setup tour which I want to make, because in this 1 year of doing YouTube I actually have upgraded my instruments and I wish to upgrade them again in the coming years. So this video would actually serve as a reference point for those future videos. So yeah, in this video I'll take you to the entire tour of my studio. I don't know if I should call it a studio yet. It's a small room, but yeah, I really love this place and this is where ideas are turned into reality. So it's a very special place in my home. I'll show you around all the equipments. If you are a content creator, this video would be really helpful for you. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Let's start. So this is the setup. First of all, you might have seen this in my previous video where we arranged the bookshelf. If you have not seen that video, I'll put a link in the I button, you can check it out. So these are the books, and this is where I sit and talk in front of the camera. Oh yes, bookshelf tour would be coming very soon, so don't expect bookshelf tour in this video. I don't want to make this very long. In this video we are only going to talk about the equipments that I use. Let's start with the lights that I use. These two umbrellas that I have, these are known as softbox. These are known as soft boxes. They each have a 60-watt LED bulb inside them. Let me just show you. These are the two umbrellas. The light which these umbrellas give out is very soft light. It is not at all harsh. Obviously sunlight is the best light if you want to make content, but in this room I don't think I get enough sunlight. That's why I use these two lights. Let me just quickly show you what is the mechanism of these. And by the way, every little thing of this setup is bought independently. Like I've bought the bulb independent, the umbrella independent, the stand independent. I'll tell you about it. So this is how it works. This is the umbrella and this is the LED bulb which I have, which basically reflects the light from the silver surface. This is the mount which you have to buy separately. You only get the umbrella. This is the mount which you have to get separately. And also for the kind of bulb that you have got, you have to find this holder for the specific bulb. It took me a lot of time to actually find this holder. So this is the first thing. And this is the stand which I bought separately. It is a flexible stand. It fairly goes up. I think more than 6 feet it goes. So this is the same for this light also. Both of these are very similar. Talking about the cost, I think if you buy it together, I think it's available on Amazon together. Like you get everything. It costs around 10,000. But because I got it separately, I got it customized. I got it for around 6.5k. Yeah, 6.5k. The entire setup I got. If you're getting good sunlight into the space, it gives a very good facial light. Buy these only if you want a soft light like it is right now. The only problem with this is this which I get into my the glares which I have. So this is a very big problem for people who have spectacles and they create content. I always have to adjust these lights so that the light is minimized the glare is minimized in my specs. But always, if you have seen, thoda bahut aa hi jata hai hamesha. So that is a problem. Other than that, I think this light is extremely good. The kind of lighting which it has is really soft, and it is very easy to edit the videos also if you're using this light. Next, let's talk about this tripod. Earlier I used to use this table as my tripod. I used to mount books here and mount a camera on top of that. But I've got this Digitex tripod. By the way, you can find out the links of all the products which are available on Amazon in the description down below if you want to check them out. This is a tripod from Digitech. It's a beautiful tripod, very sturdy, and it has got these mechanisms here which you can rotate and use in whatever angle you want. It has basically 360 angles. All of the angles you can use here. It is a very sturdy, very long tripod. It has got adjustments in all of its mounts. It's a beautiful tripod. It's so much better than this. It gives a very stable shot. Next, let's talk about the camera. This is my main camera which I use, Nikon D5300. I don't think if you are confused between DSLRs, please don't buy Nikon. Nikon has a problem of focusing. This is a good camera though. I already had it, but I think Canon is better, Sony is better when it comes to autofocusing. This has a focus problem. Next, I use a Boya BUI MM1 mic. This is a shotgun mic which is used to capture audio in one direction only. Like if you're talking from here, this will capture the audio from here, but if someone is talking here, this mic won't capture it. But it has got a good quality, it has got good reviews, and do let me know in the comment section what you think about my audio so that I can upgrade it if it's not that great. Earlier I used to use this mic. This is the previous version of the Boya mic. This is a beautiful mic. It costs around 900 rupees, and I used to make all of my videos with this mic, but I recently upgraded to this mic. So both of these are really good. I sometimes use this also, but I really like this one also. This is a GoPro which I use for my outdoor shoots. You might be knowing about GoPro. No need to talk about the features of GoPro. It's a little beast. Let's talk about some of the things which I have on a table. This is a table lamp which I used to use when I didn't have these lights. It's got this good yellow light if you want on either side. I then have my laptop here which I use for editing. I have an iPad here. I generally use my Notion on my iPad. Basically, sometimes when I'm actually sitting here and talking in front of the camera, I need to revisit my scripts. All of the scripts are stored in my Notion, so I use the iPad for my scripts. And let's talk about these little beauties. These two are known as brick lights, brick LED lights. So these come with a lot of colors actually. Where's the remote? Yeah, here's the remote. So you've got these many colors here. See, let me show you the back. Yeah, these are the colors which are present. You can actually operate both of these. I'd seen these lights in the videos of a lot of YouTubers, and I was really fascinated to use these. So it gives a really nice look to the bookshelf. These are not very expensive also, they're very cheap. You can get both of these as a combo also. So, and because it is an LED light, it won't reflect in your camera, whatever camera you're using. Even if you're using a mobile phone or a DSLR, these won't really create those grains in your camera. But yeah, if you're using a GoPro for shooting indoor, GoPro has this problem that it tends to give those grains in your videos if you're using GoPro indoors. GoPro is only meant for outdoors, I feel. And the most important part, these are the books. A bookshelf tour would be coming very soon, so please stay tuned for that video as well. So that's all for this video, guys. If you are a content creator or if you are someone who wants to start creating content on any platform, not just YouTube, I hope you find value in this video, and I'll link all of the products which are available on Amazon. I'll put the links of all of those products in the description below. You can check them out. Do let me know what equipment do you use if you are a content creator, and so that we can discuss the tips and tricks. So we can also discuss that in the comment section. Consider subscribing to my channel. I bring out content related to books, and soon I'll bring out content related to travel and productivity as well. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.